What if we're living in a simulation? Could everything you perceive, every memory you hold, every emotion you feel, simply be lines of code in an unimaginably vast computer program? This isn't just a fleeting thought, it's a profound question being seriously considered by some of the brightest minds on our planet. From theoretical physicists to leading philosophers and tech visionaries, the idea of a simulated reality is gaining traction. The central question looms large. What if our entire existence, our universe, is nothing more than an elaborate simulation? Our universe operates with an almost unsettling mathematical precision. From the grandest galaxies to the smallest subatomic particles, everything seems to adhere to an elegant, unwavering set of rules. Physics, in particular, follows fixed laws that appear universally constant. Consider the unwavering speed of light or the predictable force of gravity. Atoms themselves behave with a regularity that almost suggests they are programmed particles, following an intricate script. The orderly processes we observe, from the formation of galaxies to the perfect orbits of planets, hint at something akin to a sophisticated game engine or an underlying code. This pervasive perfection, this inherent order, strikes some as deeply suspicious. It feels less like the chaotic, emergent nature we might expect from a truly natural universe, and more like a meticulously designed system. Delve into the smallest scales of our reality, and you'll find something truly peculiar. The universe, at its most fundamental level, isn't smooth and continuous. It appears to be grainy. Space, matter, and even time itself seem to exist in tiny, indivisible units, known as the Planck scale. This granularity implies that our universe possesses pixels and a finite resolution. Just as a digital image is composed of individual dots, our reality might be rendered from these fundamental units. It suggests that the universe isn't a seamless analog continuum, but rather a digital construct, much like the images displayed on a computer screen. One of the most fundamental constants in our universe is the speed of light. It represents an absolute maximum. Nothing can exceed it. This cosmic speed limit has always been a cornerstone of physics, but in the context of simulation theory, it takes on a new meaning. Some speculate that this universal speed limit could be interpreted as a built-in maximum rendering speed, or a performance limit for our simulated reality. It's analogous to how game developers impose speed limits or boundaries within their virtual worlds to maintain stability and prevent glitches. This fundamental restriction, they argue, suggests a deliberate constraint set by a programmer to ensure the simulation runs smoothly. If we are indeed living in a simulation, might there be glitches that occasionally surface? Consider phenomena like the Mandela effect, where large groups of people share collective false memories of events or facts. Is this a bug in the system? A memory overwrite gone awry? Then there's quantum entanglement, where particles appear to be instantaneously connected across vast distances, seemingly defying classical physics. Or quantum randomness, which behaves like an unpredictable system refresh, generating outcomes that are inherently probabilistic. Even the eerie sensation of déjà vu, that fleeting feeling of having lived a moment before, could be interpreted as a brief loop or a minor hiccup in the simulation's playback. These strange occurrences, while often explained by conventional science, take on a new, unsettling significance when viewed through the lens of a simulated reality. Humanity itself is rapidly advancing in the creation of complex simulations. We build incredibly detailed video games, sophisticated physics engines, advanced artificial intelligence, and immersive virtual worlds. Our ability to craft indistinguishable realities is growing exponentially. If our civilization, still relatively young in cosmic terms, can already create such intricate simulations, imagine what an advanced civilization could achieve. The statistical argument then becomes compelling. If advanced civilizations are likely to run many such simulations, the odds of us being in the original base reality become incredibly slim. It suggests that it's far more probable we are one of countless simulated realities. If our universe is a simulation, the next logical and perhaps most unsettling question is, who would run it and for what purpose? One possibility is a highly advanced civilization, perhaps conducting a vast scientific study of life, evolution, or societal development. We could be their grand experiment. Another theory suggests our future descendants might be running the simulation. They could be looking back through history, attempting to learn from the past, or even trying to understand the origins of their own existence. Perhaps we are merely data points in their ancestral research. It's also possible that our universe is just a random experiment, a side project by creators who are entirely unaware of our conscious existence within their program. Or, perhaps most humbling of all, our entire universe could be nothing more than entertainment, someone else's incredibly elaborate video game. The thought that our entire reality, our hopes, dreams, and struggles, might be running on someone else's hardware is a truly profound and unsettling idea.